Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back our computer class. Hope you all are well, happy. So now we will start the chapter 3. Okay, our lesson name is keyboard. So I thought you all are waiting for new lesson. Please, I have one small request to you. Please learn everything whatever I gave to you. Please learn. Then I told you I will send the surprise test. Okay? So very soon you will get, inshallah. So please learn. Okay, dear all. So today, before we learn about CPU, keyboard and many things like speaker, UPS, microphone, mouse, CD, CPU, floppy and many things, monitor, CPU, keyboard, UPS, speaker, microphone, mouse, floppy disk, CD, everything you already learned, right? So now I am taking your lesson taking only particular like keyboard. So see, you can see the keyboard in front of your system. You can see the keyboard, whether your phone, whether your tab, whether your laptop, whether your system, the keyboard, it is there. So today in keyboard we learning, inshallah, identify the keys on the keyboard, recognize the function of different keys. Yani we should easily identify many keys are there, like number keys, okay, number keys, function keys, alphabets key. See here, easy method, you can identify the functions keys with the blue color, okay, and alphabet keys in green in color. Alphabet keys are green in color and red keys identify the number keys. So here also number is there and here also. So two time here number keys are there. So we will discuss about the alphabet keys. Okay, alphabet keys or letter key. We can say the letter key. Letter means A, B, C, D. Alphabets also A, B, C, D till Z. So we can tell like that alphabet keys. So alphabet keys or letter keys are the keys with the alphabet A, B, C till Y and Z. There are 26 alphabets key on the keyboard. You can count the keyboards, you will get the 25 alphabets key, because in ABCD from the nursery or know about the how many letters in ABCD? 26. Okay, dear all. So now come to the next key. What? Number key. Number keys are the keys which have start from the 0 to till 10, but we are pressing 1 0, it become a 10, otherwise it is still 9. Okay, actual 10 are there, but we are pressing using the 1 again and again, like 1 11. So we are pressing one number 2 10, so it will become a 1 1 11. Okay, like that 1 0 10. Now come to the function key. There are 12 function keys. They have their own special functions. I am using almost F2 and F3. F2 minimize the voice, and F3 you can give the more sound. Okay, if you want stop the voice like mute, you press continue F2. You want till how much space is there in your computer, how much your computer or system or laptop voice, you just press F3. Your computer or whatever you are using, that voice should be increased, it will be increased. Okay dear all, now must know, we should know about the cursor. A cursor like eye shape or is a small blinking line on the monitor of a computer. If you click, you can see this is the arrow. If you click continue, it change the shape of blinking line on the computer of the monitor of the computer. It shows the position of the next letter to be typed. So see, come down, enter key, take the cursor to the next line. After, you should know very well this one, okay, with the picture showing, please see and learn about the all things. Okay, first see here monitor. About this, whenever you are clicking the arrow, it coming line, blinking line, then easily you will identify it is the arrow. Come to the next, enter key, take the cursor to the next line. After typing a sentence, you press enter key. When you start typing again, you will be typing in the next line. There are two enter keyboard on a two enter keys on a keyboard. Check, like this keys are there in your keyboard. See, right side one key and left side one key. Check enter key where it is. Both are right side, not left side. Okay dear all, just because of your I may confuse you, that's why I told one is right side and one is left side. No, it both are right side. Come to the space bar. It's very easy. From the first class, I know you know about the monitor, about the enter key, about the space bar, about the backspace and computer. Okay, so just you are increasing your knowledge, that's why I am again teaching you. Okay, space bar, it insert a blank space between the word. Space bar is the longest key on the computer. Now backspace key is found above the enter key. It easy the characters to the left of the cursor and those help you to correct mistakes that you made while typing. Okay dear all, whenever you are getting the mistake, you are using backspace, then it will finish. Then you will again type new letter or new words. For example, here I am here given the example. You have typed the wrong spelling of the word computer, COMPUTER, as COMPUTTER. Place the cursor after the second T and then press the backspace key to erase the extra T. So please parents, help them to explain for the, just show them this is the first screen, the next enter key, here two keys are there and backspace key, easily they can understand. Just ask them where is the enter key, where is the backspace key, and please make the spellings wrong and tell them which is extra, like given the already in the book. Like that you also give to your child. So it's very helpful to your child. Now come to the next, delete key. You know, delete key similar to the backspace key. Backspace key, sometimes we want take the pictures and we don't want this picture, so we are selecting that picture and pressing the delete. When you press the delete key, it erases the characters on the right of cursor. For example, you type the wrong spelling of printer as printer, printer. So place the cursor after the letter T and then press the delete key to erase the O. So easy and very small definition is there. So try to learn the definition also. Okay dear all. Caps lock, capital and small. You can play also capital, small, capital, small, capital, small. When caps lock key is on, you see a light on the right side of the key. Light. You can see the light, okay, of the right side of the keyboard. All the alphabets you type appear in capital or uppercase. Uppercase is called also capital letter. For example, if you type the word computer in all small letter, is caps lock key will appear as computer on your monitor. So whenever you caps lock put, the light appear, then it all letter will come in capital letter. When you press again that caps lock key, the light will go, then all small letter will come. Okay dear all. When you press the cap lock key again, you will find that the light disappear. Now on typing the alphabets, they will appear in small or lower. Capital means uppercase, small means lowercase. For example, if you type machine, then it will erase, it will appear as machine on your monitor. So see here, giving here caps lock key, number key and score. Now you come to the number lock key. In case you wish to type number using numerical keypad on the right side of the keyboard, press number lock key and a light will appear on the top right side of the keyboard. This shows that you can now use numeric keyboard. Come to the shift key. Shift key also two are there. One is right side and one is left side. Same position, only left and right side, but same line. Okay. The shift key is used in combination with other key. There are two shift key on the keyboard. One is on the left side of the keyboard and the other is on the right side of the computer. It is used when you want to type the upper symbol on the keyboard. Like you want capital, just during typing time, just press the shift key, then it will automatically come capital. Okay, please do the practical with your parents. Without parents, you should not touch system. Okay, teacher explain, I know very well, I want to do, then it will become maybe bad. So better with your parents you go to system or laptop, they will help you. If any mistake is coming, they will handle. For example, if you want to type the symbol at the rate of, we are using the at the rate of in where? Yes, IDs, Yahoo IDs, all IDs, Gmail, others, etc. Then press the shift key along with the key. Shift key is also used to make letter capital on your monitor. I told you na just now. And one more other things are there, like at the rate of, hash, dollar, percentage. Also just press the shift key and put, and symbol star and bracket. Okay dear. Now come the where we should come back this slide. Okay, so for example, if you want to write A capital, then press the hold shift key. While you press A key, the capital A appear on your monitor. Here is the function key. Functions key also are found on the right side of the alphabets key. These keys are used when you write a sentence or a paragraph. For example, a full stop is used at the end of the each sentence. You can see here is the symbols are there, question mark, greater than, less than, bracket, everything you should using. That is the function keys also there, and other punctuation keys are there. So please learn this about the keys. It's so important. It's easy if you are learning the all keys. It's so easy for you. You are the master if you carefully learning and using. And press the keys smoothly, not hardly. Arrow key, you know very well arrow. Okay, there are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard to move the cursor: left, right, up and down. Arrow mark on the key show the direction in which the cursor move. Arrow keys are also called cursor control key. Arrows keys you all are mostly using for the playing game. You know very well, I know. Now the one example here giving, always press the keys on the keyboard gently. I told you na, smoothly, not push hardly or not beat it, like go and press with the one finger tightly, hardly. It's not good. Do not sit too close to the monitor. It's a so bad habit. See, the boy is pressing continue and that hand also pushed. That is wrong. Also here very close to the monitor, it's also bad habit. So you should keep some distance. Now come to the, now you know. What you know? There are 26 alphabets keys, 10 number keys and 12 functions keys on the keyboard. It's so important. Maybe it is coming in the blank. So this all you should complete in the, as usual, in the copy, and please learn with. Enter key, take the cursor to the next line. Space bar, blank space between words. Insert the space. Space bar, insert blank space between words. Backspace key and delete key help you to erase your mistakes on the screen. Number lock key is used to use numerical keypad. There are two shift key on the keyboard. Arrow keys are also called cursor control key. Okay, now key terms. Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor of computer. Backspace key erase the character type on the computer side of the cursor. Delete key erase the character type on the right side of the cursor. Caps lock, when on you can type capital alphabet. Number lock key, when on you can type number using numerical keypad. Shift key, when pressed causes a type letter to appear in uppercase. The upper symbol of the number key or symbol key are also typed with its help. So I hope this much enough for you. Please read again and again. Whatever my subject is there, it's compulsory to reading. Okay, if you are able to read it, then it's so good. Okay, dear all. So thank you so much for joining my class. Please, whenever my class is there, I want smiling face. Okay, dear all. Thank you so much. Take care. Remember in your prayers, whenever your parents say something to you, please listen carefully. Complete your work on time. Whenever my class is there next, till bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.